Hi, welcome to Chrissy's Haven. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY crafting video. I want to do a quick Dollar Tree haul to show you some of the other additional things I picked up for Halloween, as well as a few other things. I'm not going to be on camera today because it's Sunday, and to be honest, I just don't feel like getting out my pajamas. I don't feel like putting a bra on, and I don't feel like doing my makeup. I like to give my skin a break at least once or twice a week for makeup and stuff, so I'm au naturel, but I'm not putting a bra on. I'm sorry, guys. So that's where we're at. But I just want to go over this stuff really quick with you. So I picked up this really cute Day of the Dead cat and spider from the Dollar Tree. I also picked up this cute little poison container and these eyeball flowers, and that'll probably be the easiest DIY I could possibly do, because I'm just going to put the flowers in this, so that'll be easy. If you couldn't tell, I love signs, and I found so many more cute signs. There's this cute tree sign, a happy Halloween sign, a boo to you sign, and a pick your poison sign. I also found this really cute ghost cup, which I'm actually probably not going to use as a cup, but as decor, because it's just adorable. And this table cover, which kind of matches some of my Halloween stuff with the apothecary theme. So, very cool. Oh, snap. More signs. This sign is so cute. This sign actually had little other signs hanging from it, but I actually cut them off because I'm going to be using them as part of one of my DIY craft projects. But I could still use this. See, I ripped them off the back, but I could still use this as decor even with them off. And this, definitely, I love that one. So cute with the baby ghost too. Now, two of these are from the Dollar General. This glitter boost sticker, which I'm going to be using on a candle, as well as these felt stickers I hope to use on a candle. I was able to find sparkly spiders. These are also from the DG. They're bubble sticks. So I figured that'd be a cute thing to give out instead of candy, or with candy, for my nieces and nephews. I found these faux flowers, which I'm hoping to use in my one project. It kind of matches the coloring. And then I found this cute Stay Spooky candy dish. I got this Bon Appetit candy bucket, which I'm actually going to use as a centerpiece if everything goes to plan. I got two of these floral foam inserts, although I might use one for something else. I have more foam, so that's fine. And then I got this mesh. I'm not good at using mesh, so this may not be incorporated at all. We shall see. But I figured I'd give it a whirl for $1.25. If this doesn't scream spa, no. I don't know about any of you, but my left foot is beautiful. I could take pictures of that foot and sell them for big buco bucks, maybe. But my right foot is jacked up. My heel gets so disgusting, so I'm hoping this will help a little bit. And then I got this Sure Scents Glistening Cranberry candle. I'm definitely going back for more. It smells fan-freaking-tastic. It's just amazing. It's just pure cranberry smell. It's so good. And then last but not least, I found another Disney lip gloss. Cruella de Vil, the Disney Villains Ultra Shimmer Lip Gloss. And I really love this color, so I will be using that. And then, oh my god, I'm horrible at grabbing things while holding a camera. I got the, Be Pure has this line with watermelon. They had a serum, they had a toner, and they had a moisturizer. I have so many toners and moisturizers from beauty boxes that I have yet to use. But my serums I'm running low on, so I figured let's give it a shot for $1.25, and if it's wonderful, that will be wonderful. So we're going to start with 3 white candles from the Dollar Tree. I did peel the sticker off the back. Next, I got the pack. It's a pack of 3 witch brooms. I got some of the sparkly orange spiders. And I also got a ribbon, which is very pretty, but it wasn't the easiest to work with. I ended up having to do something different with that. When I bought this ribbon, I thought it was wired because it had the black edging on it. But it turns out that edging was just plastic, like binding, if you will. So it was very hard to work with. It wasn't allowing me to make any kind of bow. Not that I'm the best bow maker, but it was really giving me some trouble. So I cut off both sides. I cut that plastic off and got rid of it and made new plans for my bows. I decided to cut the Harlequin patterns around the where they met, the diamonds met. I decided to make strips of ribbon because I figure strips would be a lot easier for me to work with, and they're pretty. And now I have all my strips, and with them I'm going to tie them around the tops of all the candles I have. Next, I grabbed my 3 witches brooms and I removed the black bows from them. They were just attached with a silver twist tie. I figured I could use these pretty black bows to cover up my awful knot at the top of my candle. So I removed them and I trimmed the silver twist ties so that they weren't sticking out. Next, I lined up the broom against the candle to see how much I wanted to trim off. I didn't want anything overhanging the candle because I've been known to start a fire or two. We're not going to talk about that. But yeah, safety first. So I cut the bristles down to a size I wanted. And for the top, I just broke off the broom handle. Kind of gave it a rustic look. Then I glued my broom to the candle. And I used my thumb, and then I remembered how I burnt my thumb on the previous candle, so I used one of the their bamboo sticks I have, but a popsicle stick will work great too. I trimmed the silver twist ties, and I dropped the bow on accident. Then I picked the bow back up. I tried fluffing this bow, but there was no wire in it, so I kind of just said F it and we'll go with the shabby chic look because I love shabby chic anyway, so no harm, no foul. And I put some glue on there, and I burnt my finger a little bit, but I did have my stick ready to push it down because, again, hot glue gun freaking hurts, man. My thumb was in pain. I also added a dab of glue to the part of the, I think it was the left side of the ribbon. Yeah, that one that keeps popping up just was not cooperating. So a little dab of glue got it to cooperate. Now it's time to glue our fancy sparkly spider to our broom. Look how cute! And I patted the spider down with the popsicle stick again because it hurts if you burn yourself. Just made sure it was on good, and it was. And ta-da! We have ourselves a spider witch broom candle. Now we're going to start with another candle. I had 5 candles in total. I made 3 witch brooms, and then I made 2 with stickers on them. So this candle I'm making with a kind of bougie, blingy rhinestone sticker combo. So I made my tie on the candle, and then I made sure it was tight. I did manage to make a pretty decent bow, nothing fancy, but again, we're going with the shabby chic look here. It is Halloween. And here are the pretty bougie stickers I got from Dollar General. It was $1 for the pack. Then before peeling off the stickers, I positioned it a few places to see where I wanted the boo to go. I decided to keep it at the bottom because the ghost was so big and pretty. I wanted that to kind of be more of my focal point. So I started adding our stickers on. And these stickers stuck really good. There was no need for any extra glue or anything. They really adhered to the candle very well. And I'm looking at them right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and they still adhered to the candle very well. They're stuck on there good. And there you have it. A quick and easy, but very pretty candle. And finally, for the last candle, I used a different kind of sticker. I found these felt stickers at the Dollar General too. They were only $1. I believe you get 10 or 15 pieces in there. These were so cute, but they don't adhere as well as the other stickers do. Now, I didn't mind that the edges popped up a little bit because it kind of gave it a 3D type look. But if you're not into that, you could definitely use a few pieces of glue. You could use a little bit of the glue gun to stick them down better. But the edges did kind of pop off a little bit. The center stayed on the candle though. And there you have it. We have another cute and easy candle.